Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Victoria Brooks, and I'm so glad you're here. If you're a man over 50, you might have noticed that your mornings don't feel quite the same as they used to. Those natural morning erections, once strong and dependable, may have started to fade. And with them often goes a quiet sense of energy, drive, and confidence that once felt automatic. But here's the good news. Your body is still capable of those same powerful mornings. You just need to give it the right support, and sometimes that support comes from something as simple as adding a few natural powders to your nightly routine. Today, I'm going to share 3 natural powders that you can take before bed to help boost testosterone, improve circulation, and bring back stronger, more reliable morning erections. They're safe, easy to find, and simple to use, but the real magic happens when you use them together consistently. Stay with me until the end because I'll explain not only how each powder works, but also how to combine them for the best possible results. Why morning erections matter. Morning erections are more than a sign of desire. They're a reflection of your body's internal health, particularly your blood flow, hormone balance, and recovery systems. When they're strong and regular, it's a signal that your circulation is active and your testosterone levels are functioning properly. When they start to weaken, it often means that something, whether it's your vascular system, hormones, or nighttime recovery, is falling out of balance. The exciting part is that you can often restore this natural signal by nourishing your body with the right nutrients, and that's exactly where these 3 powders come in. 1. Beetroot powder. The circulation booster. Let's start with beetroot powder. Beets might look like an ordinary root vegetable, but they're one of nature's richest sources of dietary nitrates. Inside your body, these nitrates convert into nitric oxide, a compound that widens and relaxes your blood vessels. Without nitric oxide, firm erections are nearly impossible, no matter how much desire you feel. But when nitric oxide levels rise, your blood vessels expand, oxygen flows more freely, and your circulation improves from head to toe. Taking beetroot powder in the evening primes your system for better blood flow throughout the night, which is when your body repairs tissue, balances hormones, and restores energy. This nighttime support helps ensure that by morning, blood flow is steady, strong, and responsive. Many men who use beetroot powder regularly notice not only firmer, more frequent erections, but also better daytime stamina and cardiovascular performance. It's also incredibly easy to use. Stir a teaspoon into water, mix it into a smoothie, or blend it with a warm herbal tea before bed. Its earthy flavor pairs nicely with lemon or a touch of honey. The key is consistency. 1 teaspoon every night can make a visible difference in circulation and overall vitality. 2. Maca root powder, the hormone balancer. The second powder is maca root, an ancient superfood grown high in the Peruvian Andes. For centuries, locals have used it to boost stamina, fertility, and overall energy. Modern studies show that maca supports hormone balance and enhances libido, but not by artificially spiking testosterone. Instead, maca helps your body use its existing hormones more efficiently. It optimizes the ratio between testosterone and estrogen, reduces stress, and supports the systems that regulate reproductive health. This means your body doesn't rely on external hormones. It simply gets better at managing its own. The result? Many men report increased drive, better endurance, and stronger, more dependable morning erections. Maca also helps calm the stress hormone cortisol, which can interfere with testosterone production when elevated. By lowering cortisol before bed, maca allows your body to slip into deeper, more restorative sleep, the very time when testosterone is naturally produced. A teaspoon of maca powder in warm milk, tea, or a bedtime smoothie can do wonders. Its slightly nutty flavor blends well with cinnamon or honey. Over time, consistent use can help restore both your physical and mental vitality, making you feel younger, steadier, and more in control. 3. Ashwagandha powder. The stress regulator. Finally, let's talk about ashwagandha, one of the most powerful adaptogenic herbs on the planet. Adaptogens help your body adapt to stress. And chronic stress is one of the biggest reasons men struggle with low energy and weaker erections after 50. Elevated cortisol not only interferes with testosterone, but also disrupts sleep and recovery. Ashwagandha lowers cortisol levels, calms the nervous system, and encourages deep, restorative sleep. It also supports healthy testosterone production, muscle strength, and overall vitality. In clinical studies, men who take ashwagandha regularly show improvements in testosterone levels, energy, and performance. It's a simple, natural way to help your body feel more balanced and resilient. You can stir a teaspoon of ashwagandha into warm milk or calming tea before bed. Its earthy flavor becomes pleasant with a dash of honey or cinnamon. When used consistently, many men notice more restful nights, better mood, and stronger responses in the morning. How they work together. Each of these powders targets a different aspect of men's health. Beetroot enhances blood flow and nitric oxide. Maca optimizes hormone balance and stamina. Ashwagandha reduces stress and supports testosterone. Individually, they're powerful, but together they create a synergy that can help restore your natural rhythm, better circulation, deeper rest, stronger hormones, and reliable morning vitality. You don't need to make drastic changes to your lifestyle. Simply mix these powders into your nightly routine, 1 teaspoon each before bed, along with good hydration and quality sleep. Over time, your body will begin to respond naturally. Most men start to notice positive changes in a few weeks: deeper sleep, better mood, more morning energy, and stronger, more consistent erections. The real transformation happens gradually as your body rebuilds its internal balance night after night. Final thoughts. If you're a man over 50 and you've been feeling like your mornings have lost their spark, remember this: it's not a permanent change. It's a signal that your body needs care. By giving it the nutrients it's been missing, beetroot for circulation, maca for balance, and ashwagandha for recovery, you can help restore that sense of vitality and confidence that defines true masculinity. I'm Dr. Victoria Brooks, and I want to thank you for spending time with me today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more clear, evidence-based tips on men's health, testosterone support, and natural vitality after 50. Your strongest mornings aren't behind you. They're waiting for you to bring them back.